Welcome back, everyone, to yet another new speaker introduction. And this week, I'm being joined by Vitalija, who is our second new speaker for this year's new speaker track at the Past Data Community Summit. Vitalija, congrats on your session. For those that haven't met you before, who are you?
Hello, and thank you so much for congratulations. My name is Vitalija, and I'm a consultant data engineer in Amesto Analytics, which is a consultancy based in Oslo where we deliver everything data from data platform to AI solutions.
Nice. So, what is your session about this year?
So, my session this year is about navigating the data seas and diving into Databricks with orcas.
Oh,
So,
I can see an
basically,
orca right behind you. Is that the one from the session? Is that orca coming to Seattle with
possibly.
you?
Well, let's see if I have space in my luggage. Yeah, so basically, this session is gonna combine two of my favorite topics, which is biology and data. And generally, this is an introductory session into Databricks where we will cover the main topics like Unity Catalog, Medallion architecture, notebooks, workflows, and SQL editor. And I generally believe that learning can be fun, and this is what I try to achieve in my session.
Nice. Very much looking forward to that. I think that will also be your first Past Data Summit, right?
Absolutely, and I'm so excited for this. It's not only my first past data summit, but it's also my first time in the US. So there are two new things for me in my life.
Lots of new things happening. What are you most looking forward to with regards to the Past Data Community Summit?
So the Data Community Summit is, of course, the most iconic event of the year. And I'm so excited to join it and be able to join it this year. And I'm mostly looking forward to actually my talk because I think it's going to be so fun presenting it. And I'm so looking forward for this, and I feel so privileged to be selected for this session. But as a real planning freak, I also have a list of sessions I want to attend, and some of them are diving into data lake, data storytelling, lessons learned from a year in Fabric, and of course the iconic Power Hour.
So here is my one advice to you: don't overdo it on planning too many sessions because it gets exhausting, and you also want to make sure to meet lots of new friends there. And well, you need time for that on the hallway track, but you'll figure all that out. And I love that one thing that you're most excited about is your own session because you should be. And with that, I'm so looking forward to meet you again in person in Seattle in November this year. And with that, thank you so much for your time, and we see you all in November.
Thank you.